Do you think closing a bank account is a simple 5-minute transaction? Because I certainly did. When I decided to move on from Regions Bank, I figured it would be a quick, clean break. You know the drill: walk into the branch, sign a form, confirm the zero balance, and boom, done. But my experience? It was a little more complicated. I'd been with Regions for a while, but a recent move meant I no longer had a convenient branch, and honestly, their fee structure wasn't doing me any favors. So, with a new bank account open and all my direct deposits and automatic payments switched over, I made the call to officially close the old account. First hiccup: I was told over the phone that for a final, irrevocable closure, I had to physically go to a branch. Fine. I scheduled a trip for the next week. But before I even got there, I had to navigate the administrative maze to ensure no forgotten, tiny recurring charges would sneak in later. We're talking about those phantom subscriptions you signed up for 3 years ago and forgot existed. This step, which the bank really didn't emphasize, is crucial. If your account goes negative after you try to close it, they can not only charge you an overdraft fee, but in some cases, they'll just reactivate the account to process the fees. So, after a meticulous check, I finally made it to the branch. The teller was friendly enough, but the process was surprisingly drawn out. They had to call a manager, confirm all the linked accounts were clear, and then print out what felt like a small novel of paperwork. The whole process took about 40 minutes. 40 minutes! For a simple closure. But here's the real kicker, the part that taught me a valuable lesson. Even after I signed the final paper and got a printed confirmation of closure, the banker strongly advised me to keep checking the account online for another week. Why? Because some slow-moving, final system batch processes or residual transactions could still potentially hit the account. And if it goes negative, as I mentioned, it reopens the problem. The moral of the story isn't that Regions is uniquely difficult, it's that closing any bank account is a multi-step financial choreography. You need to zero out the balance, update every single linked service, and, most importantly, get written confirmation and then verify that closure yourself for a good week after the fact. My Regions account is finally, truly closed, but it was a much bigger effort than I ever anticipated. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.